back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day, and thank you for being here. I do appreciate it. If you're new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join us here. And again, thank you so much for leaving comments. I love talking with you guys, and make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. As you can see from the description, we have a new subscription to unbox, and it is the classic candy box. This is for November 2018, and I am super excited. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about this. This box is $18.97 a month, and I do want to let you guys know that they ship boxes once a month. The cutoff date is the last day of each month. Orders received after the last day of the month, it'll be the next month that you will receive, and they are shipped by the 9th of every month. But a little bit more about the actual subscription, and it says classic candy box delivered monthly to your door. You'll feel like a kid in the candy store when you open your first classic candy box. We have a huge variety of all the classic candy you loved as a kid. Each month you can expect to receive full-sized, hard-to-find classic candies throughout the decades. Enjoy different candies each month from the early 1900s to the 1980s. Each month you will receive 1 to 1.5 pounds of candy, at least 25 pieces, varying in chocolates, hard candies, chewy candies, and anything in between. Cheaper than in-store retail prices and delivered to your doorstep. That's why we love subscriptions. New classic candy favorites every month. And they do have options. They have a month-to-month option, 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month. You can go ahead and prepay. December box will ship the first week of December. So, like I said, this is the November box. So, I will make sure to put a link to their site down below for you guys so you can head over and check them out and sign up, because I have a feeling this is going to be so awesome. So, we are going to get our box cutter and cut this tape and dive in here and see. So we open it, and there is a little flyer here. It says November. Guys, it's like childhood in a box, or Halloween in a box without the trick-or-treating. So let's take a look. Okay, this is awesome. So we have a sheet here that tells us all of our candies. Let's see. Okay. Wax Fangs. These are from the early 1900s. This waxy chewing gum is perfect for any occasion. This fun novelty toy became very popular around Halloween. I have not seen these in forever. Like, forever. Alright, I want to try and go in order just because I don't get confused. Alright. Gold Mine Gum, early 1900s. These little gum pieces come packaged in an authentic cloth bag miners would use back in the day. I don't know if I've ever heard of this. Okay, so it's bubble gum. Okay. This I haven't heard of. I've never seen it like this before though. This will be interesting. This is the Bit O' Honey, 1924. Bit O' Honey was a revolutionary candy with its 6 pieces wrapped in wax paper. The candy contains almond bits inside of honey-flavored taffy, which made it a long-lasting chewy candy. I've always only ever seen it individually wrapped. I've never seen it like this before, so that's really awesome. Yum, I love these. Oh, I haven't seen them in forever. Looks like there's multiple in here, but I'm just gonna pull out one. The caramel apple creams, these are from 1930. Sometimes called bullseyes. These caramel outside and caramel apple cream in the middle originated by Goats, I'm not sure, candy company. It's the same little company, you know, the caramel with like the white in the middle that are really good. It's like that, but this is the caramel apple. These are so good. Okay. I have never heard of this. Zagnut, 1930. The Zagnut is one of the few candies that doesn't contain any chocolate, although it does contain a small amount of cocoa. Crunchy peanut butter toasted coconut. I was about to say, well, then what is it? Alright, I've never heard of this. So that'll be interesting. You guys, oh my gosh. I remember these. Okay. Safety Pops, 1940. Each lollipop has a letter or number, making them educational for a great giveaway for teachers, doctors, or anyone who works with children. I remember these. I would always loop my finger through. I remember these. This is great. Oh. Saw this on top. Rocky Road, 1950. I've never heard of this either. Rocky Road candy bars are still made the old-fashioned way, surprisingly by hand and layer by layer. Oh, by hand and layer by layer. The marshmallows and roasted cashews and the rich chocolate make this bar a delicacy to all. That sounds amazing. Yeah, I've never heard of that, but cashews, chocolate, and well, you just had me at cashews and chocolate. And then we have in here multiple, looks like some Laffy Taffies. I do know these, and I believe the banana is my favorite. 1970. The original name was Bix Caramels, even though the squares were fruit flavored. Later, the name changed to, I don't know if it's Bikes or Bex. Laffy Taffy. Laffy Taffies are known for the witty jokes on the wrapper. All right, so we're gonna read one. We're gonna go with a banana. All right. We're gonna do both because they always have two. What type of grade only gets better? You think you know? An upgrade. And what type of scan can prevent infection? Antiviral. I guess that's kind of going with like computer. That one wasn't as funny, but the upgrade was funny. All right, moving along. Oh, yo. Oh, where they at? Where they at? The Cowtails mini vanilla candies are an elongated version of, yes, the goetz. It's GOETZE apostrophe S. Iconic Sweets caramel creams. So these are kind of like the candy apple things, or caramel apple that I was talking about, but this is just the long version. These came out in 1984, which was the year I was born, and these are actually one of my favorites. These are yummy. All right, let's see. $quarter. That's what this is. Okay. $quarter. Early 1900s. These solid milk chocolate coins wrapped in gold foil. The gifting of chocolate coins is a holiday tradition in parts of Europe. So, and it actually does on the front and the back look like a quarter. Black Cow. Oh yeah, we have more Laffy Taffy. We have another sucker. Another quarter. Another quarter. Another cowtail. Another sucker. Trying to get to find this next item. Oh, we have another one of the caramel, or I keep saying caramel. Yeah, caramel. Caramel apple. Let's see. Oh, there's another one of them right here. Box is loaded, y'all. Loaded, loaded. Here it is. I've never heard of this. Black Cow. It's 1920. When the candy was first introduced, it was similar to a slowpoke dipped in chocolate. Both candies were made by the Holloway Candy Company. Today, the candy is a chocolate caramel bar. Chewy chocolate caramel candy. So yeah, I've never heard of it, but chocolate and caramel, gotta be great. Let's see. Sugar Daddy Mini, 1925. And let's see, looks like there are 3 of them in here. Right here. The great part of a Sugar Daddy is that you can keep enjoying them longer than the average candy bar. The age and nostalgia of the Sugar Daddy makes it a classic candy. Yes, and they, they come in the smaller ones, and these are always really good. These, I saw these. I was excited. Candy Buttons, 1930. Candy buttons are hard round pegs on a sheet of paper with 3 colors. Each is a different flavor. Pink is cherry, yellow is lemon, and blue is lime. Okay. So, maybe in 1930, because it has changed a little bit, because there's 4. Oh, we got one loose. One man down. Oh no, a second man down. So we have red that is cherry, orange that is orange, yellow that is lemon, and blue that is raspberry. Oh, and it's double-sided. So I am excited about, I remember these as a child, and I am looking forward to sharing those with Christopher. Oh my gosh, I love these, and I haven't seen them in forever. Pixy Stix, 1940. The Pixy Stix are a sweet and sour colored powdered candy that comes in a wrapper that resembles a straw. We all know Pixy Stix. Yay. This is one of my favorite candies at Halloween. Because I really don't know if you can find it any other time. Smarties, 1949. These tangy citrus flavored sweets have been a memorable candy to all. Smarties were named after the verb to smart, which means to have one's face involuntarily pucker. But y'all, these are like jumbo Smarties. So those will be good. And then we have, what is this? Nope, another Laffy Taffy. Then we have Now and Later's, 1962. The name Now and Later is meant to suggest that you could eat some of the candy right away and you could save some for a later occasion. So love Now and Later's. And the final, what is it? Wait. Oh. Another gold quarter. There's purple squigglies in here, so making sure. Alright, and the final item, Christopher will be very happy with this, are Nerds. 1983. Nerds was recognized as Candy of the Year by the National Candy Wholesalers Association. Nerds often come with 2 different flavors with the box. And that is the case here. Wild About Nerds, we have What a Melon and So Very Cherry. So this definitely is a really, really good mix of fruit flavored, hard and chewy, as far as like the Nerds or the Laffy Taffy. And then we have like the caramels, the cowtails, and then we have the candy buttons, and then we still have some like chocolate. I am very interested in that Rocky Road bar. That sounds absolutely amazing. And as I said, this is the November 2018 box. So like I said, I will leave a link down below to their Cratejoy site. It is $18.97 a month. Absolutely worth it, you guys. This is awesome. So again, I will make sure to put that link down below so you can head on over and sign up and get yourself a classic candy box and relive your childhood or discover new candy, because like, I mean, at least a third, if not almost a half of this, I had not heard of. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. And until the next time, I will talk with you guys soon. Have a great day.